Good morning. I brought my backhoe so that I end a land rake and a land plane, so I could kind of deal with all this area back here. So this is what I did yesterday. 3 truckloads of fill came last night, kind of disperse it around, and it had been all vegetation and stumps, and got all that out, buried everything here, and it brought everything up. That's the excess soil that produced. So we're going to feather this off with this, but I'm just looking at this, is got massive rocks in it. This is not pleasant stuff. That's actually horrible. Look at the rocks. Oh my God, and there's so much of it. Okay, so we're going to put some down there, some over there. Might be able to lose a lot of it over here. And then over by these 2 trees, right here, and where the machine is, I guess. All right, let's get at it. I just finished greasing the machine up, and while I'm on this side, we're going to start taking some, getting it over here. If I leave my doors open doing this all day, I'm going to have an awful pile of dust in here. But I'd rather run with the doors open, deal with the dust, than AC. I just find AC it'll give me a headache. With all the rocking and pounding with the machine all day long, and then AC on top of it, yeah, it's just hard in the head. So it's a little loud with the camera going, but this machine's actually fairly quiet compared to anything else I own. Alright, I was on the phone most of the time I was spreading this out, but this is what I got done so far. Now I'm going to get on the backhoe and get the rake going and smooth it all out, move dirt around with the bucket, get rid of rocks. Alright, I'm going to try the land plane and just see what we can deal with. I mean, this is just shale with massive rocks. Just going to get it as best we can. Let's get at it.
just like that. How could I wanna be anywhere else? Got a heart of gold and a soul to match. Can measure this moment in a photograph. You look so beautiful, baby. I know you're the love of my life. You changed my world. Yeah, you saved me without even trying. I got a feeling like never before, that all of these miles were worth it. Chasing your heart and running the ghosts, 'cause I will be loved by you. Cause I got a feeling like never before, that I will be loved by you, babe. Never been so clear, or felt like
Alright, got it all finished. Started raking by hand just to get the rocks out, just so that the soil can get a little more feathered along the edges. And this is just shale. Cheap version of getting some good use out of your land, rather than paying for topsoil. Alright, now I am going to load up and head home.